Alright, so it is actually quite a rainy and cold day today here in Schaffhausen. It's my last day in this part of Switzerland. I'm heading off into Lucerne, but before I do, there is a really cool spot I want to go to. It's called the Rheinfall, which is the waterfall by the river Rhine, which I'm actually crossing right now. Anyways, I'm heading off into the train station right now to take me there. Then I'll have to go back and collect my stuff and then head off into Lucerne. So apparently for the next couple of days there's actually a sort of festival going around Switzerland, and it's a religious festival, so that's why a lot of the shops and stores are closed. An army of tourists just invaded Schaffhausen. Okay, so I think they're closed. I had trouble figuring out how the ticket machines work because the ticket office was closed because of that festival, and there's a really nice Swiss guy that actually offered to buy me a ticket. We had a nice little conversation. Okay, very quick bus ride later. Now I'm just gonna walk to the Rheinfall. Sound of that. I feel like every Swiss town around 30 minutes past the hour or on the hour or 15 minutes past the hour has clock towers that always make this beautiful sound. I always seem to miss it when I'm trying to film it. I see it. Oh wow, it really is beautiful. Check this out. Waterfall. I think maybe Niagara Falls. Wow. There's a castle all the way on the other side. I was actually planning on staying there. There's a hostel there, but I chose to stay in Schaffhausen instead. If I'm honest, I think this is probably the best kind of weather to really experience the waterfall, because you really get to appreciate it so much more. Simply because it's misting, it's raining, it's cloudy, I don't know, something about it. So the waterfall itself is only 23 meters high and about 150 meters across. It's really not that high, and from what I understand, the fish are not even able to climb back up. Only the eels that live in this ecosystem are able to make their way upstream. I was going to make it, or I had enough time, but definitely do not regret coming here one bit at all. If you are in this part of Switzerland, you gotta come here. It's really not that far from Schaffhausen, only maybe like a 10-minute bus ride. So guys, look what I just realized. If you take the boat all the way to the Rheinfall, you could climb up top over there and get like a view of the waterfall right there. I'm not going to have time to do that, but it's an option if you're here. Now I'm actually going to head over to the castle across the Rhine, the Schloss. I just crossed the river and made it to the castle, which is pretty cool looking. Can you guess what century it was built in? It was built in the 9th century. Wow. Let's go inside real quick. Here's the view from the castle. Personally, I'd like to own one day. I mean, who wouldn't with views like this? There's the little boats you can see, which will take you all the way. Just bought a quick ticket to get inside the grounds. Hopefully I'll be able to get inside. It only costs like 5 Swiss francs. This right here is the little town of Neuhausen. Pretty picturesque, but the castle and the waterfall is the main part why people go here. What's really cool is if you stayed in the hostel that's located right here on these grounds, you'd be able to wander around at night. Well guys, this is Rheinfall and the Schloss Laufen. Hopefully you guys all enjoy this. This is really, really cool. I'm glad I made the day trip out here before heading off into Lucerne. I think I'm gonna make this a separate video by itself, and then I'll continue the vlog on once I get into Lucerne. So anyways, if you guys enjoy this, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.